And what you can do now is get up close and just really pump some smoke inside the 2 holes. There's a hole. I mean, get up really close and just pump it inside. Even closer than that. I mean, literally under the thing there. The smoke is what, yeah, there you go. You hear him increasing the buzzing, and the hole too. Literally pump some into the hive, right at the hole. Yeah, like that. And the same with the bottom. And that gets inside the hive. Oh, where'd that thing go?
What?
The tool. I think I left it. I'll leave it on the ground over there. I'm going to have to go back and get it. We need to pry it open. There it is. The tool. Cool. Looking good. We're going to stack up a little bit here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the top.
Okay.
And you want to scoot some smoke inside the top of the hive here. So let me crack it open. Okay, get ready.
I hope we don't get fucked up.
We're okay, we're okay. Come over here. Quick, inside the hive here. Good. Keep going. Get them in there. And they'll actually disappear into the hive. So I'm going to pull this off.
Well, there's some on the cap.
That's okay. We've never done this before with no head masks.
That's crazy, no. That's very crazy, actually.
Okay, now I'm going to try. I'm just looking inside and looking at the wax. And I'm going to go in the middle here.
They're just falling.
And I'm going to pull one of these out. Hard to get these things out because they're kind of glued in from the bees.
Yeah.
Slowly coming. Ah, here we go. So I'm going to pull it out, and that's basically, there's hardly anything on here. Yeah. They haven't done any building on here at all. So it looks like we've got plenty of room. We just put this top one on about 2 weeks ago because the bottom one below it was almost full. You get nervous?
Who, me? Oh, no. I'm just looking around because I don't have any shoes on.
Oh, I know. Okay. We're done. I think I found out what I wanted to see. So I'm carefully going to put this back. Trying not to squish any bees.
I'll smoke them out.
Come on, guys. Everybody go this way. Whoop. Okay. Careful. Try not to squish them.
On my feet.
Whoop. You're on your pants. You're okay.
Huh?
Almost done. Okay, we're done. That's it.
Cool.
Yay. We did it.
Nice.